Being in labor, giving birth, is an altered state. There are so many hormones that your mind is literally in a completely different state than it usually is. Where, and you're this bridge. You're sort of partially in spirit realm, partially in your body, creating this bridge for your baby to pass through. And dance has always been a way, probably since the beginning of human prayer, dance has been a way to make this bridge between spirit and body. During pregnancy, the, the belly dance focuses on the core muscles. And this is where it's different than many other dances out there. So it works the core muscles in the way that they like to be worked. When I traveled in the Middle East, I traveled in the Middle East and Turkey and North Africa, and I talked to women about belly dance. They all agree that belly dance began because of birth, and the women took movements that a woman would naturally do in labor and took those movements and formed them into a dance so that they could practice ahead of time. So it's the core. It's the core gets worked. The uterus itself gets worked. There's the belly dancing movements that actually you're dancing your womb. Now in labor. Labor, the point is to move with the body. Move with what the body wants to naturally do. The dancing puts us in a state that I call the primal mind, and where it's way beyond logic or rationale and the mundane stuff. And because the dancing helps the mind to connect with the body, the body is very primal. The body has no logic or rationale. And so connecting the mind in the body, it helps it to go into that primal state and that altered state, very intuitive. As we go through the movements, I'll say some more. We're going to do all the basic movements, and while we do them, I'll tell you some of the things of this move is good for that. This move is good for turning a baby. This move is when you get into a funky space in your brain. We'll go through move by move like that, and I'll tell you which moves are good for what.